Hi everyone, today I want to share a beautiful story with all of you. There was a wise man living in a village. People have been coming to him complaining about the same problem every time. One day he told them a joke and everyone roared in laughter. After a couple of minutes, he told them the same joke and only a few of them smiled. When he told the same joke for the third time, no one laughed anymore. The wise man smiled and said, "You can't laugh at the same joke again and again. So why are you always crying about the same problem?" From this story, we learned that worrying won't solve problems. It will just waste your time and energy. Because the problem isn't problem. The problem is your attitude towards the problem. Problems will come and go. It never stops. That's why there is a saying that worrying and complaining doesn't take away tomorrow's trouble. It only takes away today's peace. Thank you.